this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making a simple mango milkshake. This gets ready in no time and it only requires a few ingredients. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 1.5 cups of milk, 4 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 full mango that is chopped. It should be ripe. Some chopped mango. This is only for garnish and this is optional. And some chopped cashews. You can also use almonds, but these are also optional. You will take a blender and you will add in the mangoes, the milk, and the sugar. You will put on the lid and you will give this a good mix. You will scrape the sides and bottom of the blender. And you will blend these together one more time. Once you have blended together these ingredients, you will give the milkshake a taste to see if you need to add any sugar. You will take a glass and pour in the milkshake. Then you can add some dry fruits as garnish and small mango pieces. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.